What's up, everybody? I'm Jane Sawyer, and this is Jane Sawyer Makes an Abominable Snowman Out of a Sock. Now, you know we love a sock cryptid around here. A sock Mothman was such a hit, and I've been feeling a little wintry, a little bit festive, and I thought, why not make a sock yeti or abominable snowman? You can get everything you need to make this guy at the dollar store, and I've left the free template for this project over at janesawyermakes.com. You'll need some fuzzy socks, either light blue or white, some fiber fill, scraps of a few colors of craft felt, 6 light blue or white pom-poms, a scrap of white faux fur, 1 little bead, 2 googly eyes, something for weight in the bottom. I've got these rocks, some dental floss, a scrap of thin sturdy cardboard, and hot glue, white glue, and scissors. We'll start by prepping the feet. Rough cut out the feet template pieces. Use a gift card to spread an even layer of glue onto the scrap cardboard and laminate the template pieces onto that. Cut those out, flip them over, and spread down another layer of white glue, then cover the cardboard in some scraps of blue felt. Set these aside to dry. Now you can trace out the other template pieces onto their respective colors of felt. A really sharp pair of scissors is key to getting a nice, accurate cut. To cut the wig out of faux fur, hold the fur so that the length of the fur is growing down. Make sure the arrow on the template is pointing down before you trace it out, and when you cut, run the blade of the scissors along the mesh that holds the fur together. You can see here my little blade is only cutting the mesh. I'm avoiding cutting the little hairs of the fur. Set the little wig aside now. We're going to assemble the mouth. Glue the gums down onto the lips. Glue down the teeth and the tongue, and set this little assembly down to dry. You can set the eye mask piece to the side for now too. Okay, let's bring the sock in now. I found my sock was a little fuzzier on the inside, so I flipped it inside out. I put a small amount of stuffing in the bottom, then for weight, I put a few rocks down on top of that stuffing. I continue to add wads of stuffing to the Yeti, checking the size against the stuffing guide on the template. That looks about right. Now we're going to bring in our bead. This is going to be the nose. Slide it down between the stuffing and the sock and pinch it from the outside. I'm using these little elastics to hold the nose temporarily. This isn't necessary, you can just tie under the bead with some dental floss, but I had these and it makes it a little bit less fiddly. I'm also using a little elastic to secure the top of the sock. I'm going back to tie dental floss on top of the 2 elastics. While the elastics are helpful to hold things while you're trying to tie knots, I've used these on other projects and they just don't last, so you should definitely reinforce them. Now you can cut off the extra sock and glue on the wig to cover up the stump. The hair should be pointing forward. My fur was really long, so I gave him a little haircut. Now check on your mouth and feet. If they're dry, you can move on, but if they're still wet, you're going to want to wait till they're really dry. When they are dry, go ahead and cut out those feet. Glue on the face mask just above the nose and the mouth just below the nose. Add those googly eyes onto his face mask. Now glue him onto his feet, then add 1 fuzzy pom-pom to each of his 6 toes. now you can leave him just like this. He's pretty cute. I had a few extra scraps of fur, so I decided to give mine a beard and some eyebrows. I also gave him some ears. But you can decorate your guy however you want. And there he is, a frosty little Yeti Abominable Snowman cutie. If you've watched this far, leave the snowflake emoji in the comments and like this video if you think he's cute. If you try this project, please at me or send me a pic on one of the socials. I'm at Jane Sawyer Makes on everything. The free, no strings attached template for this project is over on janesawyermakes.com. Check it out, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.